Now we'll see how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Okay. Example, if you have postfix expression 2 star 3 plus 4, then how to convert this to postfix? Again, rules are same. Whenever you have a simple operand like a, rule number 1, its postfix expression is a. Okay. Now, when you have some expression e1 and you have another expression e2 and there is an operator between them and you want to convert this operator, let's say, that is what my assumption. If you want to convert this operator to postfix, then what you do is write e1 e2 star, that's it. If you understand this point and if you understand this point, then you can convert any expression to postfix. But only question is, there are a lot of operators in an expression, then which operator to be converted first? For which operator we have to apply this rule is the question, right? So that we have to do with the priority base. That means every operator has precedence. Based on the precedence we have to decide. Highest precedence operator should go first. Okay. Example. In this 2 star 3 plus 4, whose precedence is highest? Star, right? So what is better here is, please put parenthesis for an operator who has higher precedence. Okay. Now star versus plus star, that's why I'm putting parenthesis. After that plus. Now let's begin with parenthesized one first. 2 star 3, 2 star 3 equal to 2 3 star. So that will become 2 3 star. Okay. Now remaining thing I'm writing plus 4. Now we have only one operator. This is operand now. This is operand. Again e1 plus e2. Then e1 e2 plus. So simple. So in that way we can convert any expression to postfix. Now we'll see one example. So we are going to convert this example into prefix, at the same time postfix. Let me begin with postfix because just now we have discussed postfix, right? After that we'll go to prefix. To decide, or to convert this to prefix or postfix, first of all we have to go through precedence of the operators, because we know that highest precedence operator to be converted first. That's the reason I would like to put the parenthesis to these operators. Let's begin. Plus versus star. Which one is highest? Definitely star. That's why actually star has to be applied first. That means for star we have to convert first. But it doesn't mean that star is the ultimate precedence operator. Why? Because there is one more operator right side of star which has more precedence than star. That means before star power has to be converted. That's the reason. So now parenthesis should not be fixed here between 3 to 4. And the same way we should not fix parenthesis to 4 and 5. The reason, there may be a better operator than this power with respect to precedence. That's why compare again power and power. So this question, power and power, what is the precedence? They have same precedence. Then which one is first? According to the rules of mathematics, power is right associative. That means when you have two powers like this, then this should be first. If you have multiple powers like this, 3, then rightmost is first. That is called right associativity. Okay. Now that's why I'm using right associativity. Then with respect to that power versus power, then this power is first. Then compare again power and minus. So now power is highest, correct? Because minus is smaller than power. Now I realize that this is the ultimate precedence operator. Understand? Then power versus minus. Sir, why are you comparing this power and minus? What about all other things? We know that so far power is the highest among all these things. That's why we have to compare this against minus. Then power versus minus. Then which one? Power. Let's decide that this is the second ultimate one. After that, minus. Okay. So minus versus star. Which one? Star. Put one more parenthesis to star. See the order of parenthesis based on the priorities. Plus versus minus. Which one? Plus and minus equal precedence. Then we have to go from left to right because this is left associative. So let me put precedence like this. Correct? Now this is the final order. Now let's convert this to postfix. Let's begin with this part because this is highest, right? Then it will become what? 5 6 power, isn't it? Then next this one, then it will become, see, only focus this area. This is like expression 1 power expression 2. How to convert it? Expression 1, yes. Expression 2, yes, power. Now what is the next operator to be converted? star, isn't it? Then you see this is expression 1, this entire thing is expression 2. That means this one. Then what is the rule? Expression 1, expression 2, star, right? Expression 1, 3, expression 2, this one, star. So this entire part is converted. Now plus minus, we know that plus is first. Then see expression 1 plus expression 2, then expression 1, 2, expression 2, this one, then plus. Now you see remaining thing, this entire thing is expression 1. What is the remaining thing? Minus 7. How to do that? Expression 1 minus expression 2. Expression 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, power, star plus expression 2, 7, operator minus. In that way we can convert any infix expression to postfix expression. Okay. Let's convert the same expression to prefix. Okay. Since power has highest precedence, already parentheses are same, then it will become 5 power 6. What is prefix? Power 5, 6, isn't it? Then 4 power something, then power expression 1, 4, expression 2, then star versus 3 star something, then star 3, that's something, then plus 2 plus something, then plus 2, that's something. Now final one is minus. You have something minus something. How to do that? Minus something, the second something, 7. So in that way we can easily convert any expression to prefix, isn't it? Then what we do is, so far we have understood how to convert infix expression to prefix and postfix. Now we'll see, given a postfix expression, how to evaluate it. Second one, given a prefix expression, how to evaluate it.